Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, yesterday I was talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty. In case you remember it, I had explained you here that Nifty is probably heading towards all-time high. Today in fact we had seen an all-time high and now it is at a strong resistance zone. This entire area what I have marked here is a strong resistance zone in Nifty. This is a Nifty spot chart. Let me tell you, it's a daily time frame chart. Now what can happen here? Tomorrow if we see a gap up and if price sustains above this levels, there are good chances prices can head towards 14,700 and 14,800. This is on a broader picture what I am talking about, and in case price fails here to sustain above this level and if it reverses, maybe we can see today's low on the downside, that is 14,517, and in case that breaks we can see this trend line coming in. This is a simple thing what I have for tomorrow on Nifty. And I am talking about Bank Nifty. After Bank Nifty I will also explain you what are my trading plans for tomorrow. Bank Nifty also yesterday I had explained you that this will be a tight zone, a strong resistance zone from where the selling can again come in. Though Nifty has breached the previous swing high, Bank Nifty has failed here. It has not breached the previous swing high. It has in fact entered the resistance zone here. Until and unless it breaks this level, this high, that is 32,718.95, until and unless price doesn't close above this, I am not looking for any long trades here. In case price reverses from this level, tomorrow we can expect the trend line coming in. Before that we will have today's low as the target trend line, and once it breaches the trend line we can expect price move to 31,650. This is a broader picture. Now let's go and see what our trading plans are for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Before we move to the trading plans, guys, I have updated all the zones here. I will be updating this in the description box. You can go and check it out. In case you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. And if you enjoy watching my videos or if you have learned something new, please give a like. Any doubts, you can drop a comment. Now let's go to Bank Nifty and see what our trading plans are for tomorrow. Okay, for tomorrow, let me tell you, Bank Nifty probably may come and touch this level, that is the trend line. Yesterday I had explained you why this trend line is important. I will explain you again here. In case if you remember yesterday, it's fine, or else see here how Bank Nifty has respected this trend line previously. Even today it has respected this trend line and then we have seen a bounce. So probably tomorrow it is heading back to the trend line. So how and where we can take the positions? If you see here, this trend line and S1 is almost coming nearby. In case price enters this level and reverses back, we can probably take a long trade for today's high as the target, that is 32,664.85. This is a future chart what I am showing you in 15 minutes time frame, and above today's high I will expect prices move to R1 level. This R1 level is the very important point because this is the all time high, and today also we had not today, I am sorry, a few days back we had seen some good reversal coming in from this level. You can see here, right? Today in fact it has failed to enter this level. So this R1 will be very important, and above R1 I will see for 32,861 and 33,000 as the target on the upside, right? Okay, now on the short side, in case price breaches this trend line, sustains below this and it enters this S1 level, remember we have 50 moving average. I have been explaining you how and why 50 moving average is very important. We can probably see this 50 moving average coming in to take the support here, and in case we see a breach below this as a bearish candle, there are good chances prices will head to S2 level, S2 zone. This is a support 2 zone, and below this we can see S3 zone. So hoping tomorrow we'll have a good expiry for all option buyers. Hopefully we can make some money tomorrow. So this is the plan for tomorrow. And talking about Nifty, Nifty after it breached today's high, I am sorry, not today's high, I mean all time high, we have some different plans here. you can see your price is trading between R1 and S1, and this is a very tight level. R1 and S1 is not much difference, it's very nearby. So tomorrow there are good chances prices can reverse again from S1 and head towards R1, close above R1 level, that is 14670.45, that is also today's high. Only then I'll initiate a long trade. In the sense, I'll add some future contracts. I'll add some more quantities probably above this level for a target of 14700 and 14740 and max to max 14780. Above that I'll start trailing the stops. And in case we see prices close below S1 zone, we can go for a short position for 14562, and before 14562, guys, as I've said you before, in Bank Nifty also, in Nifty, check out here, 50 moving average can come and take a support here, and from there it can either reverse, and if it breaches, we can see 14562, 14 S2 zone, that is 14517, somewhere around that, then 14462, and below that max to max I am expecting 14400 levels to come in. So probably tomorrow's expiry can be a good one. We can see some good momentum. Let's see tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty reacts based on the zones, and I will update all the zones and the support and resistance level in the description box. You can use that levels, mark on your system, and check out how beautifully price respects our zones. And in case you are new to my video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive all the updates. And if you enjoyed watching this video, guys, please give a like. Right, I'll see you tomorrow again. Let's see how the expiry is going to be. Have a good day, guys.